We're taking a look at this Maverick Quantum Flux monster truck. Come check it out. Hey guys, so this is the Maverick Quantum Flux 2 monster truck. It comes in various colors: green, blue, orange, and red, I think, off the top of my head. It's one of Maverick's top-selling RC cars on the market at the moment. It's a really good deal for a start. It's one of their cheaper packages that come from HPI. So for those of you that don't know, Maverick is a sub-brand of HPI Racing. So HPI is more the premium, top of the range. Maverick is the step down, and then Blackson is the brand at the bottom, where you get your kind of entry-level stuff. This is a 1/10 scale, 4-wheel drive, water-resistant LED, ready to run. Comes with the controller. It says ready to run, but Maverick have a bit of a cheeky way of saying ready to run, but it doesn't actually come with a battery. But radiocontrol.co.uk always comes to the rescue with this one. We sell this with an included battery. So if you buy it from us, even though the price is exactly the same as everyone else, one of the things that HPI kind of mandate for us to sell their products is that we match price for every other shop in the UK and in Europe. So you wouldn't be able to get this product cheaper, but if you buy it from us, you'll get a free battery. So we think that's a pretty good deal. And yeah, we've got these immediately available. We've only got green at the moment. We will be getting them in all the other colors. So you should be able to choose from the colors on our website. If you do choose another color we don't have, it takes about 2 to 3 days for us to get the product to us. So it might take a couple of extra days if you don't choose the green one at the moment. It's the 5th of May at the moment in 2025. We are building out our stock of Maverick products because they are really good quality. So yeah, really happy with the way they're selling and not getting any returns on the product just because they're such good build quality. And when you find a reseller or a remanufacturer like HPI, so HPI use a lot of the other, they don't really have their own they don't have manufacture their own products. They go and source their products from other RC manufacturers, and they look for the best ones possible. And you know, it's very similar to what Absema do. But you can tell here the quality of the products, the quality of the electronics that they're using in the products are really good. So if you fancy checking this out, go over to radiocontrol.co.uk, where we have this along with all the other Maverick lineup. And follow, like, and subscribe for this channel where we do other unboxings, and we will also be running competitions and free giveaways. So check it out. Cheers guys. Bye.